Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, this week's video is going to be a little short. Not a lot happened on the project truck this week. They had some more stuff they had to get on and get out of the shop this week, so not a lot happened, and that's going to happen sometimes. I want to put out something about this project every week, but it just may not happen, so I just may have to do some of my other videos. I have a lot of other things that I'd like to show you how to do and get those videos out. But so this week's a little short. And we brought the intro back. Some people liked it. Sometimes there's other projects that have to get pushed through and we have to pause on one and start on another. Josh did make some engine stands for the two used motors, and what we want to do is put some casters on those and move them around in the shop or in a storage area until we get the new engine and we get everything like we want it. So these were once on my truck with the black top, and they had faded. I took them out and put in the other taillights, the Fortisia ones, and they have faded, or they're not faded, but they're kind of turning yellow. So what I decided to do today while I'm here at the shop is sand these down some, and while he's clearing another car, throw some clear on here, may even throw a little tint in the clear. Okay, here they are at night, even tinted. They look good. I mean, it is, the camera is making it look a lot lighter outside than it really is. It's getting pretty dark. Trying to make it change the exposure. Yeah. And that's what they look like at night or day. It's getting dark, but I think they turned out really good. And they're not LEDs in there, just the reverse lights LED, but I'll plan on getting some. But yeah, man, they look good. I'm happy with it. I need to take that bumper off and put on the Mazda bumper. I have one, I just need to work on it a little bit and then put it on. Alright, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like and subscribe.